Managing your email lists can be quite a task. If you have 1 or 2 people on your list, you can write email to each person. However, as your list grows to 100 or even 1,000 of subscribers, this could take too much time, but you still want to reach out to your subscribers, right? So how do you talk to all of those potential customers and still have time left over to run your business? With autoresponders from Aweber, we help you talk with your customers after they leave your website. Start with a message to welcome new customer loyalty by automatically send the sequence of follow-up emails to each subscriber. We can send of these as many as you want, as often as you want. After we delivered your emails, we'll tell you who opened it and click the link so you can create more relevant target emails in the future. Click the link below to sign up with Aweber Autoresponders. Thank you.